Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Kingston Harbour and we're giving you an update on the K2 apartment building. Now this development is done by Sherborne Limited and it's estimated to cost 2.1 billion Jamaican dollars. What they're doing is building 119 residential units and they're all going to have waterfront views. So we are on the Michael Manley Boulevard and it overlooks the Kingston Harbour. So it's going to be the building is going to be 10 floors high and the actual location is Bournemouth Gardens, Kingston 2. It's going to be a 10-story residential building. Now the 119 units, 54 will be studios, 28 one-bedroom units, 35 two-bedroom units, and 2 two-bedroom super units. And they all will have waterfront views of the Kingston Harbour. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Sherborne Limited will soon be bringing its 2.1 billion residential development Kingston 2 Apartments to market. Located in Bournemouth Gardens, Kingston 2, the 10-story residence will feature 119 units ranging from studios to two-bedroom apartments. These will comprise 54 studios, 374 square feet each, 28 one-bedroom units, 738 square feet each, 35 two-bedroom units, 827 square feet each, and 2 two-bedroom super units on the 9th floor, 1,209 square feet each, all with waterfront views of Kingston Harbour. Amenities include a gated entrance, 150 parking spaces, an outdoor entertainment deck, ground floor lobby and lounge, roof terrace with a fitness center and pool, an on-site wastewater system, backup generator for common areas, and water storage tanks. BYD Construction is a contractor for the development and it is expected to be completed by the end of 2025. Alright, so that's the latest on the development. Let us know what you think. We will give you guys updates on this development every month. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.